Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something really exciting to share with you all. We'll be showing you how to install an awesome Google Chrome dark theme that'll transform your browsing experience. So, if you're ready to give your Chrome a sleek, stylish, and visually pleasing look, then keep watching. Before we dive in, take a look at your regular Google Chrome interface. It's functional, but maybe it's time to add a touch of elegance to it. Here's the dark theme for Google Chrome, and trust me, it's a game changer. It gives your browser a sophisticated, dark appearance that's easy on the eyes, especially during those late-night browsing sessions. So, without further ado, let's get started with the installation process. The first step is to access the Chrome Web Store by clicking on the three dots icon, then go to Extensions, and finally click on Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Dark Theme for Google Chrome, and hit Enter. Next, click the radio button, Themes. You'll see a bunch of themes, but for this video, we're going with the best theme called Dark Theme for Google Chrome. Next, click on the Add to Chrome button right next to the Dark Theme for Google Chrome theme. It'll only take a few seconds. After installation, your Chrome will automatically switch to the newly installed dark theme. How cool does that look? And there you have it, folks. You've successfully installed the dark theme for Google Chrome and given your browser a stunning makeover. Remember, you can always switch back to the default theme or try out other themes whenever you want. Play around and find what suits your style. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech tips and tricks.